Want everyone in a Microsoft Teams meeting to hear the audio from your computer. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to share system audio while presenting, how to check it before you start, and how to stop sharing when you're done. So let's get into it. First, join your Microsoft Teams meeting and make sure you're inside the call. To share computer audio, you'll normally start from the meeting's share control. Next, select Share. Teams will display different options for presenting your screen or content. Look for the option to include sound from your computer, sometimes shown as Include Sound or Share Audio. Before selecting what to share, turn on the computer audio option. Once enabled, sounds from your shared content can be heard by the other meeting participants. Now choose what you want to present. You can share your entire screen, a specific window, or another available presentation option. If you're playing a video, sharing the window or screen containing that video can be a good choice. Once sharing starts, play the audio or video you want your participants to hear. Keep in mind that your computer's system audio is being sent through the meeting, so avoid playing unrelated sounds while you're presenting. If participants can't hear the sound, pause and check that computer audio sharing is still enabled. Also, make sure the media itself isn't muted and that your computer has the correct playback device selected. When you're finished, select Stop Sharing. This ends the screen or window sharing and stops the shared computer audio from being sent to the meeting. And that's how to share audio on Microsoft Teams. Open Share, enable computer audio, choose what you want to present, and start your media. So whether you're presenting a video or demonstrating an application, everyone can hear the important sound.